1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. As always, I'm joined here by Mr. Hazed.
Yo, yo, yo.
And if you are new to these streams, what we do here, we take a look at the NQ price action, just to do a little trade review that we had on the day, see the things that we saw, outline them, give you guys some insight, drop some knowledge on how we trade, what we look for, and then we take a look at some cryptos. So don't mind this. I'll explain this in a second. But let's take a look at crypto, and what we had on it today. So if you were here last night, I believe we were talking about this 4-hour fair value gap that we displaced. And today we kind of came back and retested it. Or no, we displaced it last night at 2 a.m. This morning we came back and retested it 2 times. On the hourly, you can also see we came back and retested it. But we also retested this hourly fair value gap right there, right, that we broke through in that form. So this hourly fair value gap gave us a nice little push to the upside. Right here, you could see that dump right into 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock takes out that previous hourly low, or was this open, high, low, close? 9 o'clock, never mind. It was open, high, low, close. So we took the top of the hourly here, then dumped down, and then held the fair value gap, and out of it, we just began to come right up. So you could have taken it as just like this liquidity sweep right there and continuation to the upside. So you can notate that. If I can spell liquidity sweep and continuation to the upside as a tap of the hourly FEG here. And then over here, we could be watching for a nice little retrace, right? We take this leg as it pumped up. We take this leg. We have a nice little OTE that's waiting inside this inverse fair value gap as well. We tap that 618, 705, pretty close to it. But we hold the 618, and then we continue up above through those liquidities to the targets that we have outlined above. We we came pretty close to that one. Previous weekly high still remains a nice target. Like if you were watching that stream yesterday, we said it displaced this Sunday opening level, and our upside target can change to that previous weekly high, which is exactly what we're watching going into tomorrow as well. We got, what do we have? We have a University of Michigan numbers at 8 a.m. and we have the core PCE at 6:30. Those are Mountain Time. So 8:30 news and then 10 o'clock news. That University of Michigan always moves the markets, so just stay patient with that one. It's one of my favorites. So retest of OTE here. There's that. Okay, let's take a gander at some cryptos. This is gonna be a short and sweet little stream. You know, there's the crypto market is not looking the best right now. That's what I will say. Like, we keep on saying it every stream. We'll keep on saying it now, that we are coming into this end of month kind of just fuckery, you know, where it's like everything looks good, looks bad, looks good, looks bad. But right now, this is what I want to bring your attention to. Our pump fund. We got a little animal. We're above the 200 EMA. So I want to see if this will play out to an extent. At least point B, I wouldn't mind this right there. Point D would be our max extension, max point where we can reach up to. Maybe even right there, this liquidity over here on the 4-hour would be 0.055. But I like the way that we're looking right there, right? We got the CISD right there at the bottom on the 4-hour. We swept this liquidity, and now we are looking pretty dang solid, I would say. Maybe retest of this 12-hour CISD and then go from there. But on the daily and weekly, it's looking pretty decent. Monthly is okay. Not my favorite. But this is what I like. This is what I have to show everybody and tell them to watch out for the animals because we know the zoo is a dangerous place.
Animals bite sometimes.
The animals do bite sometimes, so that's another thing we gotta stay fucking vigilant for. If you mess
Bite
with it,
back.
yeah, if you mess with the animals, you gotta know that they can bite. That's one of those biggest ones that I'm watching. I'm also looking at Cheems. Cheems is another one of those. Got below that trend line that we keep on just like breaking above and dropping below, breaking above and dropping below. Now it looks like, fourth time getting above this. This might be the time that we do it. Now we just need above that weekly opening level, and then we can see a nice continuation. I like the way that we swept that previous weekly low, previous monthly low, getting above or current monthly is getting above the previous monthly low. So that could be a nice continuation on that one. Those are like the big two that I'm really liking for a watch. Any questions, comments, concerns?
I still like HNP on the 4 hour, but it's just like if you go on the 4 hour and just draw a line at 2.70, like it's just a brick wall. But once that shit breaks,
Yeah,
this thing is gone.
2.7. Yeah, and also the CISD right there.
Once it gets that, you won't even be able to get in. I think that's why I kept trying.
I feel ya.
It just looks so good, but it's looked so good for so long.
Yeah.
ENA had a nice day today, off that previous day low sweep yesterday. Soul doesn't look horrible
Yeah,
still.
ENA. I like ENA. Above the 200 now too. We got that solid displacement.
Yep.
Almost closed above this fair value gap. Tap the top of it. Wow, fucking
Yeah, that's my only concern is how he didn't invert, but like filled it.
yeah. But I'm liking the fact, like, if it swept previous day high, then I'd be like more concerned. But the weekly's looking pretty decent, right? With the retest of this OB previous weekly sweep, so it's looking a lot better than I would say most other names.
Remember AKT?
Oh yeah, KT. I think. Oh yeah, I think I just posted this one too inside
The weekly
perpetrators.
looks really good already.
Yeah, AKT is looking good.
Yeah, weekly's like a hammer candle if they can keep this up.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Yeah, there's select ones, but like you're saying, it's like I'm just personally not taking them because I don't want to get sucked into this PA. It's like it seems like it's a lot of news-based pumps, like getting lucky type shit,
Yep.
and it's just hard to be in those plays, and it's not consistent. So I'm just waiting.
Yeah, it's like you gotta take your profits fast on these fucking
Yep.
pumps.
I'd rather buy a retracement off a displacement up and just like buy higher, honestly,
Yep.
just after it's confirmed.
Yeah, AKT. Yeah, that was one of those that I posted. Aleo is the one that I'm just looking at for possibly long term. It can do a rising 3 out of here. The fact that this bottom held right there, I like that. And the fact that we have retested the 705 of this big range, right? I believe that's the weekly range, or I don't fucking know what range I was drawing on this. Oh yeah, never mind. Daily range, right? We did kind of come down and retest like the 786. We held that. Now we're holding the 705. So we're still looking pretty decent on Aleo. I'm liking that rising 3 setup on it. But like you said, these weeklies, that's just something. Oh, this one's inside weekly. Weeklies and monthlies are the only things that are just a big concern for me at this point.
Yep.
And it's like, well, would I rather have the headache of dealing with it now, or would I just rather wait for like a good OTE on something and go from there?
Stocks look a lot better, like we were talking about. I posted that weekly watch list on Sunday of mostly like long setups off the weekly, monthly time frames, and some of them are just playing out so fucking hard already. Like now had a crazy day. Elf really fucking good day.
Ooh, Rivian is fucking getting after it.
Yep. CRM, ANF, DocU, like pretty much every single thing that I posted is just going crazy.
Oh yeah, yep. ANF, Doku. Yeah, that 786 bounce is fucking beautiful. Grilled to perfection.
Yep. Yeah, stocks are
Mm-hmm.
stocks look easier than crypto right now.
Yeah, I agree. Apple, looking good. Tesla.
Ford looking good. Macy's looks really good on the monthly.
Mm-hmm. Yep, we were
That
talking
now
about that
reversal
one.
was really nice.
Oh yeah, right out of that fucking OTE. Right there.
Outside week.
Yep, that's a nice one.
The weekly looks so good.
And the daily too with the fill of
Out
this.
that gap.
CBRL.
Elf 2. The weekly looks so good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's fucking nice. That retrace of the 05 range right there.
Outside week.
It's a smacker. And the way we held this giant one, that 618 or 786, it's a solid continuation. It looks like a big ol' inverse head and shoulder.
DRM looks really good. It's like all those Salesforce now, all those Snow, MDB.
Oh, holy shit.
Yeah, fucking
Right out of this OTE.
yeah. Pull up MDB. Fucking crazy. I'm sad I didn't hold it longer, but my options expired a while ago. But goddamn, what a beautiful couple last days.
Mm-hmm. Remember we
That
said that
wedge.
LRLR too. That's a beautiful one.
Yeah, I still think like the Lulu monthly candle closes in 17 hours, so tomorrow. But this one, if you can get long under the next monthly open, I
Mm-hmm.
think Lulu's probably the one.
Yeah, that one. I think we were looking at it. Snow. Did I ever post that fucking chart?
You were talking about snow a long time ago.
Yeah. Like trying to see when. Let me draw this fucking OTE. April 1st. Yeah. Well, first, that's probably when we streamed it. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Posting about it and not doing anything with it.
Yep. It's my life. No, I catch some good ones, but it's always like the best ones that you chart out. Like you don't
Yep.
take for some reason. You take everyone but that one.
Yep. I took Rivian's. Like that's the only
Yep.
one that I'm just like, just because I believe in this one and with everything in my head, this one makes sense. But all the other ones, like if I don't really know it, then I'm like, yeah, like maybe not.
Oh,
And then Lulu.
oil doing crazy like velo. Almost outside month.
CVX breaking above that one. PBR, I think we outlined not too long ago. This one's doing pretty decent inside this weekly fair value gap. So I'd love to see a nice little sweep of probably all of that shit.
Yeah, maybe this weekend we can go over the sectors like on Sunday.
Yeah.
'Cause that did very well last time. Oh, Rivian looks so ready to go.
Yeah,
now.
that's what I'm saying. Rivian looks
Yeah, I'm
fucking
still in.
phenomenal. Like monthly or like sweep of all of that looks like it wants to just continue cranking, break out next month. Weekly's looking good. Daily's looking good
Like
as
the
well.
5th attempt at that trend line.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, look at Win. WYNN.
Holy shit.
The weekly. Remember,
Jeepers.
if you zoom way out, there's this huge trend line, like
Oh yeah, that one.
from the top all the way down, and we broke it. I just touched it to that second point, up to the top left. Like align it with that second one, and then go all the way.
Oh, okay, I see.
Down one even. Right there, yep. Like look at that.
Oh yeah, that's a nice strong break. I want to see how Wix is doing too. I was outlining this one. Yeah, look at
Super
that.
nice. Yep.
Cranking it up.
Fake head and shoulders breakdown.
Yeah, we mentioned that one
Rip it out the top.
on our stock, or I mentioned this one on my Twitter just as a little. Here's that. A trade stock sometimes.
Fucking win I posted in when we were in Wisconsin. It's been going since then.
That's insane.
Just non fucking stop.
Oh, I posted fucking wicks at the bottom. This is the second week that we're cranking on it.
Yeah. Stock's looking really good compared to crypto.
The return.
Cycle.
Yep. Return of the Jedi. There's that. I gotta post this fucking puppy.
Yeah, crypto is just in chop mode.
Yeah, I got
That's
fucking
really all it is. It's just
dogged
chop.
on.
AVAX looks okay, but every time something looks good, like on the hourly or 4 hour, it just wicks up and then closes back in the range.
Yeah, they're fucking around with it.
Consolidation, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, not gonna. Nope.
Yeah, it's like everything, it looks good, but it doesn't look fucking phenomenal. So it's like, just wait for that new monthly manipulation and we can go from it. Like, those are the only ones, the ones that I outlined are the only ones that I'm taking that's very small. I'm not looking for any home runs on those. Just kind of like, yeah, if it does its thing, it does its thing. But for right now, just kind of waiting.
Yep. Oh, Apple's doing really good.
This is looking.
That XLK fucking outline we did. That tech sector is just played out so well.
Yeah, 0.5 tap and go.
Insanity.
Back in April, yeah, dude. Sweep of all of that shit. Yeah, cranky. A little crankaroony. Put a path on it. June 8th. Yeah. Pretty fucking close. I think that's when we were looking at the quarterlies.
Yep.
3 month. Yeah, right outside. That's insane. Tap of that OB. That's
Gone.
crazy. Gandhi.
Yeah, we should do
Mahatma.
that again. Mahatma Gandhi. Like the rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should do that again. Go over the sectors on higher time frames. Maybe after. I guess we could do it before the new monthly open. Just see what to expect off
Yeah.
this new one.
I need to take a look at that stream that we did on April 13th. Put this shit with it.
Is that a Friday the 13th?
Oh, that's a fucking good question. April 13th. What was that day? April 30th. Oh, this might have just been. Damn, I don't think we streamed that one on here. I go back to April 30th is when we started. I think this was just us outlining everything. Select date range. Oh, wait, maybe. No. Date range is correct. January 20, February 25. Yeah. June, July, April. Damn. So this must have been just Inside Paper Traders. XLK was that sector. Yeah, if you guys are new to this, make sure you guys are checking out Paper Traders. Check out the Twitter. That's at the Paper Traders. It's the best way to stay updated in terms of what's going on inside the community and what we're posting, what we're doing, and new tools that we're dropping, things like that. Any updates just pertaining to that community, make sure you check it out. You can also check out the website. That's www.papertraders.io. It's getting renovated, updated. So what you see right now is going to be completely different within, probably a week.
Yep.
So make sure you are taking again. Oh, yeah. XLK 1 month update frame. April 6th. Nope, that's
Stock.
the wrong stock. Sorry, got derailed a little bit. Yeah, make sure you guys are checking out the paper traders. Right, like I said, the website that you see right now is going to be a little different within a week, but check it out. That one's going to be showing you guys any new updates or everything. All the tools that are on there are going to be inside the Discord, and there's also some free tools right there at the top as well. As always, check out at Blowfin. I gotta stop yelling. You can check out Blowfin on Twitter. That's at Blowfin. That's what we use to trade these per pairs. Make sure to go check them out. You can use the code Hayes or code Eddie in order to get yourself a nice little initial deposit bonus. As always, check out at Hayes Beats. Phenomenal guy, phenomenal trader. Posts a lot of insightful stuff. I've learned a lot from him. He's the man. Teaching me how to code, taking care of me. He's a great guy. Give him a follow. He's a great guy. Give him a follow. Is phenomenal. So make sure you check him out. Get him 3,000 followers. We're gonna do a nice little giveaway for a lifetime membership of the Paper Traders. Another little giveaway that we're gonna do is when these streams get to 500 concurrent viewers. So make sure you guys are sharing, liking. If you guys are not signing up, just share the stream. That's all we ask. We don't ask for much. Just share the stream. That's all. Make sure you do that, and you'll get rewarded with a nice little merch drop to your front door. Other than that, I mean, I don't got nothing else. Like we said, crypto's looking iffy. Everything else is looking okay. We got the outlines going. Yeah, check out Paper Traders if you're looking for in-depth outlines. We're posting outlines, some outlines on our Twitters. But if you want in-depth analysis of the markets, make sure you check the community out and stay a while. You know, we want you guys to learn how to trade. It's not an alerts Discord. It's literally just Discord to teach you how to trade and just have you stay there. Teach you how to fish. You got anything, Mr. Hayes?
No, sir.
All right. Well, thank you guys. As always, we'll be back on the weekend. Other than that, maybe Saturday we'll do a stock review, or no, Sunday's gonna be like Friday's the close of the monthly candle.
Yep.
On stocks. Crypto still got 2 days, so yeah, maybe Saturday, Sunday. Expect a nice little stream of like a comprehensive review of everything. But other than that, that'll do it for us. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Peace out.
Bye.